So now that we've configured our topology and we've set up the system to capture data or any traffic that's coming in on ports 1 and 2 and feed those to our cStor, we can actually now validate that that is working correctly. And we can view the counters to allow us to do that. So by going to the overview panel on the cVu400NG broker dashboard, we can actually now see the data that's coming in and out of our system in real time. So we can see here that on our ingress and egress ports which attached to our router, we can see kind of a live overview and our cumulative overview of how much data has flown in and out of each of those individual ports. We can also do a packet count and look at that. And we can also see that those are being aggregated out onto our port number 24. And here again, we can see port number 24's data is available, and we can see how much data we've pushed to our cStor. So, in essence, we can see that we are now pushing data in both directions. We can also go to our cStor and confirm that we're seeing data coming in, and you can see down here we have data that's been flowing in from the system, and we have we're capturing at a consistent data rate. So we now know that our system is feeding in data, and at the moment there's no filters configured, but we're capturing everything that's going in and out of our internet router. We can also go into more detail now, so we can click on our ingress port and we can now open up that port, look at the module information. We can see all the information about that particular device, how much transmit power, whether or not there's any alarms, and also the vendor and model ID. So that's a very simple high level overview of what's going on with each of those ports and how much data is flowing in and out from the dashboard.